friends, I am Dr.Ashwin Dobariya welcomes you to Programming NC video series. In this practical video, we will discuss the program of Palindrome. In this program, we have to input one number and the program will check whether that input number is a palindrome or not. So first of all, here we have to understand what is palindrome and what is the logic behind that. So let me first try to understand what is the meaning of palindrome. And the definition of this program that we will discuss in this video, the C program which takes input of a number, one number we have to input in this program, and the program will check whether that input number is a palindrome or not. So how you can know that this number is palindrome or not? So what is the logic? So a number which is the equal from both the side. For example, if you read the number from left to right, for example, your input number is 121. So if you read the number from left side, left to right, then also 121. If you read from right to left, then also 121. So in this case, this number is a palindrome number. But in the second example, if we input 123, then left side, if we read the number from left to right, so 123. But if we read the number from right to left, then 321. So both the sides, this number is not equal. So we can say this number is not palindrome. If we just talk about the different example of palindrome number, then 1221. So 1221, if we read the number from left to right, and if we make this number in a reverse, then also it becomes 1221. Similarly, 15,251, and again if we read in a reverse order, then also 15,215. Similarly, 101 or 101. So all are the example of palindrome. So ultimately, the main logic of the palindrome is a number which reads same from both the side. Left original numbers, and if you make it reverse means right to left, then in both the case numbers are equal. So this kind of number is known as a palindrome number. So let me first discuss the logic and which are the steps involved in this. So step number 1, we have to input one value, one number in our program, for example 123. After that, what is the next step? So whatever number we have input, that we have to convert in a reverse order. So the number of this is in a reverse is 321, and the final steps we have to compare the original number with the reverse number. If both are equal, then it means it is a palindrome. If both are not equal, then it is not palindrome. So I hope friends, all of you know that in the previous video I have explained the logic of how we can convert any number in a reverse order. The same logic we have to apply in this program, but additionally in the last stage we have to compare the original number with the reverse number, and only that condition we have to additionally add in this program. Remaining 70-80% logic is same. So if you have not seen the previous video of reverse number, then please first you view this video, and after that this is again easy. In this video I also explained the same logic again, how we can convert the input number in reverse order, because that is the first logic in this. After that we have to compare with the original number. So the logic for reverse a number, in that how many variables we require? So input number, num variable is there, reverse REV variable is there, and to separate one by one digits, for that we have declare a last number, and here we will declare one more variable, that is temporary variable. The temporary variable will store the original number, because we know that we are converting the original number in a reverse order. So if you want to compare with the original number, then at least you should have a copy of the original number. So this temporary variable will keep one copy of the original number, and original number will convert in a reverse. So how we can convert the reverse? So suppose our original number is 125, then 125 will be copy in a temporary variable. So temporary variable is having the same copy. Now number variable first will convert in a reverse. So number 123 is greater than 0, yes. So number is greater than 0, then first is we'll separate the last digit with the help of modulus operators, and if we divide any number with the 10, then the modulus operator always return the remainder, and remainder is always the last digit. So here the last digit is 3, so this statement will separate the 3. So last number variable is having the 3 values, and first time reverse is 0, so 0 multiplied by 10, it becomes 0, plus last separated digit is 3, so 0 plus 3, now the latest value of reverse variable is 3. After that we want to separate 2, then we require the 12 number. So how we can separate these 3 and make this number as a 12? So number, right now number is 123, divide by 10, so it becomes 12.3, and here number is integer, 10 is integer, so ultimately which will not return the 12.3, but instead of that it will ignore the 0.3 and only return the 12. So now the number latest value is the 12. Again the loop will continue, it will check, yeah, 12 is greater than 0, yes. If 12 is greater than 0, again 12 modulus 10, which return the last digit, so that is 2, so last number is 2. Now what is the previous value of reverse? 3. 3 multiplied by 10 means 30, 30 plus last digit, so it's 32, and 32 is stored into reverse, so reverse variable now become 32. Again 12 divided by 10 means actual answer is 1.2, but 0.2 will be ignored because both are integer, and integer return the integer answer, so it return only a 1, it will ignore the 0.2 value. Again the 1 is greater than 0, so again this condition becomes true and it will execute the loop. 1 modulus 10, it will return 1 itself, so now last number is 1. Then previous value of reverse is 32 multiplied by 10, it means 320 plus 1, and now it becomes 321, and now 1 divided by 10 means 0.1, but 0.1 will be ignored, so only 0 will be returned, and finally this condition becomes false. So now see the reverse contain the reverse value. So now our original number is 123, which is the backup copy in the temporary variable, and the reverse number is stored in the reverse variable. So what is the next logic of this program? Here we have to compare the original value, it means that is available in TMP variable, is equal to we have to compare with the reverse. And if original number and reverse number both are equal, then the output is palindrome, otherwise not palindrome. So this is the just one additional logic we have to write in this palindrome. So first is we have to convert the original number in reverse, and second stage we have to compare original number with the reverse number. If both are equal, then it is a palindrome. So let me discuss the same program in Turbo C. We require first 2 header files, then in main function here we declare all the necessary variable that we already discussed. Temporary, which store the original number, which will take from user. Reverse, we will store the reverse number, and last digits. First we will ask the user to input any number that will store in a num, and whatever number user will enter, that will take one backup copy in a temporary variable. And why we have to take backup copy? Because we are converting the input number in a reverse order. So the original value we will fetch from the temporary, and this is the logic of the converting the number in a reverse order. And once the number loop will be executed, the entire the number will be converted in a reverse order, and finally it will display the reverse number also on the screen. And first it will verify the original number which will store in a temporary, will compare with the reverse number. If both are same, then it's palindrome, otherwise not palindrome. Let's execute this program. If I input 125, then it is not palindrome because 521. But if I run these programs and if I input 121, then it is a palindrome because both the side this number is equal. So friends, this C program source code link I have given in this video description part. So you click on this link, download this source code in your laptop or a desktop and do the practicals. So I hope friends you understood the logic of this palindrome and enjoy this video. So In the next video, we'll discuss one more another programs that is related to Armstrong number, whether input number is Armstrong or not. What is the logic of Armstrong, that we'll discuss in the upcoming videos. And friends, in this description part of this video, I have also mentioned the link of other theory and practical videos for your reference. So please friends, like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you have any suggestion then or a feedback, kindly give your feedback in a comment of this video. So we'll again meet in the next video with a new and unique program. Thank you very much. And also, for getting the updates of upcoming video, please subscribe this video channel.